My name's Lewis Jaquest, communication trainer, pronunciation coach and course creator. At the end of this video, I'm going to be asking you a quick pronunciation quiz question, so stay tuned for that. But first, a little about this channel and my course, By the Sound of It. By the Sound of It is a course for anyone who wants to improve their communication and pronunciation and boost their career and their English to the next level. But back to the quiz question. I'm going to read you one sentence and you need to write in the comments how many words you hear. Okay? Ready? Here goes. How do you like the sound of that? How do you like the sound of that? Write the words in the comments. Subscribe, give it a like, and see you soon.